Last episode we made a few Asian fusion style chia pudding, and this episode we'll make a few boozy flavors. The perfect breakfast to start off your Monday. We have this Rum Banana Brulee, Bourbon Apple Crisps, Pina Colada, and Tiramisu. First up, we're going to make this Pina Colada Chia Pudding. We'll need 1/3 cup of pineapple juice and an equal amount of coconut milk. Then add a tablespoon of rum. You can add more if you want, but I have to be sober for work. Then add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Then mix well. Add 2 teaspoons of maple syrup or honey and 2 tablespoons of coconut shredding. Mix well. Chill for 2 hours or overnight or until it's solidified. Now we'll need 1 to 2 slices of pineapple and then shred it or crush it. Now we're going to layer it with chia pudding and then pineapple and then coconut shreddings, and then repeat the process until you fill it up to the top. I like to end it with coconut shreddings. And then we're done. Super easy. And now we're going to make the chia pudding for the next 2 flavors, which are the Bourbon Apple Crisps and Rum Banana Brulee. We have 2/3 cups of liquid here. I'm using coconut milk, but you can use milk or almond milk or whatever you would like. And then we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, then 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, and then mix well. Then let it chill until it solidifies. Alright, now we're ready to make our Bourbon Apple Crisps. We'll need an apple, skin and diced. In a saucepan, add the diced apples. I only used half here, and then add half a teaspoon of vanilla and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then add half a teaspoon of maple syrup. Then add 1 tablespoon of bourbon. Be careful. Okay, the amount of fire is actually fine, but the moral of the story is don't film your flambe videos from above. And now we're going to layer it with chia pudding and Bourbon Apple Crisps, and your choice of granola. I'm using maple granola here. And then repeat the process until you fill it up to the top. And there we are, done. Up next, we're going to make the Rum Banana Brulee. We'll need a ripe banana, peeled and sliced. In a saucepan, we're going to spray some cooking oil. Then add your sliced bananas. Brown it a little and then add about 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. And then a bit of cinnamon. We're going to turn it down to medium-low heat, and then we're going to flambe our bananas. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of rum, and I'm still filming the process from above. I'll do anything for you guys, even if it means melting my camera. Beautifully caramelized. Woo! Okay, now we're going to layer our pudding with chia pudding and then caramelized bananas and your choice of granola. Here I am using maple granola again. Repeat the process until you fill the jar up. I like to end it with granola bits. Alright, last but not least, we're making this Tiramisu chia pudding. We will need 1 to 2 parts of coffee concentrate to milk, a total of 2/3 cups of liquid. Add a tablespoon of maple syrup and 3 tablespoons of chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of Kahlua. Mix well and refrigerate. Then we're going to grate some dark chocolate. Now we're going to layer it with chia pudding and some grated chocolate and then also some dark cocoa powder. Repeat the process until you fill up the jar. End with grated chocolate. And we're done. Easy peasy. Go easy on your booze. You don't want to get tipsy on your Monday morning. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.